Hey, this is Matt from Fundlet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through something brand new. And this is using your collection as a way to run your fundraiser. So, rather than running your fundraiser through your fundraising landing page or on the product, you can also now do it on a collection. A few caveats before we get started here. This is not going to work for every collection. This is going to work for collections that are pretty basic. You can't have anything like instant buy pop-ups or anything like that because it's just not going to work. Um, with all that said, let's get started. I'll show you how to make this work. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this campaign and, rather than go right now, we have the storefront created for the campaign, but what we're going to do instead is we're going to add that to a collection and then use the collection page as a storefront. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to collections. So I hit product collections, and we're just going to select this hydrogen collection. And for this collection, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into meta fields. I'm going to hit view all. And what you'll see is a Fundlet campaign. This is very similar to the flow for adding a product as a fundraiser as well. So here I'm just going to select an entry, and I am going to select the Rocking Out for a Cure and hit save. Okay. Now the fundraiser is associated with the collection, but the other step we have to do is go into the online store and go to customize and go into collections. And from collections, what we're going to do is we're going to add, um, let's see, we're going to add this. And since this is hydrogen, we're going to have to do just something really quick. We're going to have to go to custom section and hit add block and go to apps and go to Fundlet banner. All right. And so you're going to see nothing here because this is not the collection that we associate with it. But if you hit change, and I think we did hydrogen. Yep. So on the hydrogen piece, we're going to hit save and we're going to view it. And so now you see we're on the hydrogen collection. We have the Funlet banner and we now have these items here. And as you click on them, it'll get that campaign up in the URL. And so when you add it to the cart, if everything is configured properly, let's go to checkout. Oh, sorry, one more step. So just like any of the Funlet campaigns, when you go into go to product, go to default product, and in the product information, we just need to add the Funlet product piece here and hit save. And let's back out of this. I'm going to take this out. All right. So now when we're on this collection page, we see the collection. I hit refresh really quick. And what we're going to do is hit here, add to cart. And now you can see that this is associated with that piece and the discount code is associated there. So it's ready to go. All right. And that's how easy it is to now associate a campaign with a collection and display that campaign information on that collection page. Let me know if you have any questions.